Like many a Breitling, what appeals to me about this watch is its simplicity. The Breitling Super Ocean Heritage 2. The watch, which came out in 2017 in this format with this movement, is actually a remake of the very famous 1957 Super Ocean. The watch itself has been a mainstay for many, many years, and it comes in different guise than a more sporty version, but the Heritage 2 for me, again, beautiful, beautiful, very simple watch. The Super Ocean Heritage 2 is fitted with the Breitling manufacturer's movement caliber B020. This comes with a 70-hour power reserve and is chronometer rated by the COSC in Switzerland. It comes with the ceramic bezel, screw down crown, water resistant to 660 feet. A beautiful, sporty but very dressy watch, looking good with suits or casual. It's a very, very versatile watch. Comes in two sizes, 42 or 46mm, blue, black and silver dials. This watch comes on various straps. You can have either leather, rubber, or in the cases we see here, the Ocean Classic. The Ocean Classic bracelet is such a well-made bracelet, beautifully put together and a substantial piece. Again, it looks superb with a suit, but as a casual watch as well, it's very hard to be beaten. The price for the model we see here is £3,710, which is, for the quality of watch you're getting here, a phenomenally good price. Beautifully clear dial, superb readability. Oh no, it's just such simple elegance in a very, very strong watch. Click here to find out more about Breitling watches. And click subscribe to never miss a Burrells video.